Hi, this is Josh with SKAA, and welcome back to the Dillinger Labs Streetheart video manual. In this video, we're going to take a look at the user panel, and I'll demonstrate how to bond Streetheart to any SKAA or SKAA Pro transmitter. Right now, I have two sources of audio playing music, an iPhone 15 with a Cassandra USB-C transmitter, and a laptop that is connected to a Dani SKAA Pro transmitter. Cassandra is a standard SKAA transmitter, meaning that it can send audio to up to 4 receivers simultaneously with 36 milliseconds of fixed latency. Dani is operating as a SKAA Pro transmitter, which can send audio to up to 2 receivers simultaneously, but with the added benefit of only 19 milliseconds of fixed latency. So you hypothetically could have 4 Streethearts bonded to one Cassandra for 16 total output channels, or bond 2 Streethearts to Dani in SKAA Pro mode for 8 total output channels. It's worth mentioning that Dani can operate in both SKAA and SKAA Pro modes. So if you need 4 Streethearts bonded to Dani, just tap the power button on Dani 3 times to switch between SKAA and SKAA Pro. Green is SKAA mode, and red is SKAA Pro mode. We're going to keep our Dani in SKAA Pro mode for this video. Okay, next let's bond Streetheart to these transmitters. Turn on Streetheart from the user panel by pressing and holding the power button. Streetheart should automatically bond to a nearby active transmitter. If you flip around to the output panel, you'll see the bond indicator LED. If this is in a bright amber color, it means that Streetheart has automatically bonded to a transmitter. If for some reason Streetheart does not automatically bond to a transmitter, double tap the bond button to explore for a new transmitter, and once bonded, you'll see a bright amber LED. On the user panel, you'll see that my power LED is green. This means that Streetheart has bonded to a standard SKAA transmitter, the Cassandra USB-C transmitter. You'll also see a green LED if Streetheart is not bonded to any transmitter. I'll press and hold the bond button for a few seconds to add this transmitter to Streetheart's green list. You should see the bond indicator change to a bright green color. The green list is a favorites list that allows you to save up to 10 of your favorite transmitters. It also functions as a lockout so you don't accidentally connect to the wrong transmitter. If I turn off Streetheart and then turn it back on, you'll see it automatically bonds to the Cassandra transmitter because it's green listed. Next, let's bond Streetheart to the Dani SKAA Pro transmitter. I'll double tap the bond button again to explore, and you'll see the bond indicator show a bright amber color again. Now we're bonded to Dani. You'll see the power LED is showing a red color this time, indicating that Streetheart is bonded to a SKAA Pro transmitter. Once again, I'll press and hold the bond button to save this transmitter to Streetheart's green list. Now I have 2 transmitters saved to Streetheart's green list. To switch between these, press the bond button once. Here I'm bonded to Cassandra again. I'll press one more time, and now I'm back to Dani. This is great when you have multiple sources of audio you need to switch between, and the best part is that you only need to set up the green list once, and Streetheart will always remember its green listed transmitters. If for some reason you need to remove a single transmitter from the green list, cycle to that transmitter, here we're back to Cassandra again, and then press and hold the bond button for a few seconds to remove that green listed transmitter. And if you need to clear out the green list and start from scratch, press the bond button 6 times to perform a factory reset. You'll see the bond indicator flash in red, and then immediately explore for and bond to a nearby active transmitter. Now the green list is completely cleared out. The bond button also functions as a local volume control knob for Streetheart. Just keep in mind that there are 2 stages of volume in a SKAA wireless setup. The transmitter controls the global volume, which controls the volume of all bonded receivers. Each receiver has its own independent local volume, which controls the volume of the receiver itself. You can also tap the bond button 3 times to mute Streetheart. You'll see the bond indicator flashing, showing that Streetheart is muted. Tap the bond button 3 more times to unmute the receiver. Lastly, let's talk about power. The USB charge cable can be connected to any USB power brick for charging, or you can plug it into a computer or any other USB port that can supply power. Streetheart will get you 12 hours of battery life from a full charge, and if you're using Streetheart in a permanent installation where you always need power, you can continuously run Streetheart while charging. However, to extend the life of Streetheart's battery, it is recommended to run it on battery power alone once per month. You can verify that Streetheart is charging if you see a single LED at the top of the LED stack. Additionally, you can tap the power button once to see your battery life on the LED stack. Continue on through this playlist to learn more about your Streetheart SKAA Pro receiver. Head over to SKAA.com or SKAAstore.com to learn more about the SKAA wireless audio standard. Shop additional accessories and cables available for use with Streetheart, and explore the wide range of available SKAA transmitters and receivers. Thanks for watching.